This is the BMW R1250GS Adventure, specifically a 2022 model. And this is a LeoVince LV-12 stainless steel slip-on muffler. This muffler offers the option to remove the DB killer if the user chooses to do so. The first step is to remove the factory BMW heat shield. There are 3 Torx 25 bolts. Be mindful not to burn yourself, as these parts get very hot after riding. Now, using a 13mm deep socket, loosen up the mid-pipe clamp. There is a welded nut on the back, so you don't have to worry about using a second wrench on the back. With a Torx 40-bit, you can now completely remove the factory hanger bolt and all of the included hardware. Since you've loosened up the clamp already, the muffler will be able to slip off. Hey, if you're new to LiterADV, first of all, welcome. But secondly, we always provide a separate high-quality sound review videos for these exhaust installs, so be on the lookout for the sound review of this bike. At this point, all you should see is the frame hanger bracket with the welded nut on the back. Now we can go ahead and install the LeoVince mid-pipe. You will need the provided pipe clamp, which uses a 5mm Allen key. Just hand tighten it for now, since you want to be able to adjust it later. Now you're ready to slip on the LeoVince LV-12 muffler. It slips right on top of the mid-pipe, and you'll probably have to rotate both the muffler and the mid-pipe to make sure everything lines up correctly. LeoVince provides all new hardware for the hanger. Insert the aluminum spacer between the muffler and the motorcycle frame bracket. Then slide the bolt with the decorative washer and tighten. The LeoVince bolt threads match perfectly with the welded bracket nut. Using the LeoVince spring puller, which looks like a hanger, install the muffler spring before you fully tighten all the hardware. Finally, we are ready to install what I would argue is the prettiest piece of the LeoVince kit, the carbon fiber heat shield. All hardware is provided. Slip the mounting plate onto the top bracket. And on our model, the bottom bracket already had a thread welded onto it. And the order operation for the hardware here is the 3mm Allen head bolt, the metal washer, then you have a gasket washer, the carbon fiber shield, and then another gasket washer on the inside of the shield. With the proper fitment, the heat shield should just hug the exhaust servo valve. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you like this kind of content, feel free to subscribe and hit the like button below.